Have you guys rooted your device and now can't access banking or payment apps? Or are you guys afraid to root your device because of this very problem? Hi, my name is Dilshan. On today's episode, let's take a look at how to access banking or payment apps even if you have a rooted device. So hey guys, I'll show you an example. If I try to open my dialog app, it says that I'm on a rooted device and can't open the app. To fix this, you need to go to Magisk Manager and then tap on settings and scroll down till you see Magisk and turn on Magisk and turn on enforce deny list and then go to configure deny list and on the search bar type the app you need to open up. So turn all these settings on and then restart your device. So guys, this is after the restart. If I tap on my dialog app, as you guys can see, it started up without any issues. If you guys have any issues with this method, please comment down below. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos like this one. So I'll see you guys in the next video.